Hi everyone. So today we had a follow through after yesterday's negative daily close. I have made some changes to the internals of this rise, and because we were finishing wave 3 somewhere here earlier, now I am putting it here because this thing looks like part of wave 4 to me. This couldn't be kind of ending of anything like fifth. So and this thing is I have marked as WXY, and then this small rise here that I am marking as the last leg of this rise, fifth. And in fact this is what is also very troubling, because this fifth is very small compared to the size of 1 and 3 was specifically very large. So that still puts some doubt in my mind whether despite this kind of down move today, whether this is really done. So because this fifth is basically not confidence inspiring. Anyhow, so yesterday I mentioned that this should be the pivot which got broken today by 6 points. So it was 359 something, and I think today we hit a high of 24,365.45, and from there Nifty reversed and started going down. In lower time frames I can count 5 waves in this, but still that doesn't rule out whether this fifth is done or not. So, and I will tell you why. First thing is, obviously this is very small, right? And if I go to daily, we can see 1 2 3, this is 4, this whole red thing, and then so basically it's kind of difficult to see fifth here on this chart, right? So that's basically is another thing that but the good thing is, even if fifth is not done, which basically means that this is essentially part of this fourth, this one, right? So this is the alternate view. So I'm marking it as 3 4 5. So this still remains the preferred view, even though I would like to keep the other option open, that fourth wave 4 is still open. So let me mark it in some different color so we know this is an alternate, right? So that wave 4 will be done, and then only fifth will complete, right? So first thing, let's consider that fifth is done. If this is done, the whole rise is done, then we know that this is the minimum target we are looking at, 23,363.90. But what if this is third and the fourth is going on? So if that is the case, in that case let's take a retracement of wave 3. I think this is the lowest point of wave 2 and this is the highest. So in this case, wave 4s typically do 38.2, though they can sometimes do less, but 38.2 is a common retracement for wave 4, and sometimes they also retrace to previous degree wave 4, which happens to be this in this case. So which kind of coincides with the larger, the whole complete view, complete of a rise of wave 5, 38.2%. So I would say 38.2% in wave 4 is around this, and 50%, which coincides with 38.2% of from this, assuming fifth is complete. So this gives us a potential zone here that even if fourth is going on, so this looks like it would be, so this is one leg of it, this is W, this is X, then Y is going on, so this could be Y and then this could be Z, or maybe like this Y itself will be ABC, right? So basically this gives a kind of potential zone 25,600 roughly. So this we should still hit even if this is not complete. So the fifth is not complete. So we'll keep both the options open for now, and let's see. So but the expectation remains that next week we should continue this down move, and it's just a matter of how far down we go. So that's that, and we'll see like how the market kind of reacts or behaves next week, and then we will basically decide whether to kind of rule out one of these alternatives and then continue with one of our preferred count. So that's all for this update. Have a great weekend, and we'll share the update on Monday. Thank you for watching.